I am an attorney representing parents in child protective proceedings. I do this work because I am passionate about being a voice for the underrepresented. As a parent defender, I know how the case should proceed and the steps needed to achieve the client's goals. There are instances when the legal aspect of a case may take a back burner to the myriad of issues a parent is facing. Cherie's case was one such case. I realized early on that the agency had a strong dislike for Cherie. The level of disrespect directed toward Cherie by everyone at the agency made it difficult to focus her on the big picture. She was, understandably, increasingly frustrated and angry. In our work, we usually like to meet the client where they are at. In Cherie's case, meeting her where she was at worked against our overall plan of reunification. Her anger and frustration was an obstacle. Time was getting away from us, and my sense of urgency deepened. The agency continued to portray Cherie in a negative light at every turn. I became frustrated with the agency. Reunification of mother and child was always the goal, the win. In order to make it happen, the narrative had to change. The change began once Cherie left the state and was no longer homeless. She was able to make changes in her life and self-reflect on how her emotional response was interfering with the overall goals. As Cherie's attorney, I had to find a way to change the court's perspective and persuade the judge that Cherie was an excellent mother who deserved to be with her boy. I was filing papers at least once a month and appearing in court just as much, if not more, to advocate for reunification. I was successful in persuading the judge to permit Noah to return to his mother while the remaining legal process played out. We continued to encourage Cherie in her personal goals and support her. Cherie worked tirelessly to be better, be different, and get Noah back home with her. There was a light at the end of the tunnel. I was able to breathe easier. At long last, we won. Mother and child were reunited.